Hi, this is the 4-channel thermometer and data logger. From this you can record the temperature from the 4 different thermocouples attached to the system, and then it will write the data on the SD card, and then you can transfer it to the Excel to plot the graph. So this project was made for the PhD student work in a material science lab, so you can also use it for the professional use. Here's a detailed schematic. I also attached the description. You can find it from there. So these are the things you require to build this project. I built this project in a hand-free box to make this small compact size, so you can also use this or you can draw it openly. I have attached the little pictures of my project just because I could not record the video while making. So this is the procedure of writing code. You can see that this is the detailed schematic code. I have also attached in the description. Just follow the procedure I have done. Set up the parameters of your Arduino, and then just check it that everything is well defined. Now just upload it to the system. Here I click upload, and you can see that first it is compiling the data, and then it will show the uploading to the system. Now let's test it. Now I just insert the power to the system, and it will first check if there is SD card present or not. If not, then it will give the error. Now remove the power and insert the SD card, and then start again, and then it will show it will check if the SD card is present. Then it will start the system and ask you to press the button to start the system. Now it is giving the wrong values, minus 27, minus 273. This is because at the 0 Kelvin. So this is because I have not inserted the thermocouples. Now insert the thermocouples. You can see from the top. Actually I have attached the thermocouples in the black color. I have made the thermocouples, NTC thermocouples, removable on the 3.5 mm audio jack, so as to make it convenient to insert and to make it according to the application. So I insert the thermocouples, I insert the memory card and power it on. So the system is on. Now it will ask you to delete the file. If there is any file, then it will ask you to delete file. You can click on the button within the 4 seconds to delete the file. If not, then it will ask you to start the system. And now you can see that the system is started. In the 25 dot, this is the first 3 columns of the LCD are assigned to first sensor. The second, the 33.76, 33.9, 34 point, and these the second 5 columns are assigned to second thermocouple, and in the second row the first 3 columns are assigned to the third thermocouple, and in the second row next 5 columns are assigned to the fourth. So the upper is T is the time. After every 4 seconds the N is changes. This is the interval of the recording data logger. So you can see that if the N is 10, then it is 10 readings I have recorded. Now let's read the data. I have inserted the SD card to my laptop, and then you see that the data log file is created. Just open it, will open in the Excel, and you see that all the files are placed in one column separated by the semicolon. So don't worry about it. Actually it recorded the file in one column and separated each reading by the semicolon, each reading of the sensor. So just follow the procedure I have done. This is the error, just ignore it. This is only in my computer. Okay, just in the home, insert and the data tab, and then go to the text to column. Yes, this option, and it will open. Just follow my procedure and click next, and then only select the semicolon. Then it will divide the values into the separate columns. So you can see that actually I have run several trials to record this data and to make this video. So the final video only take on the T2 thermometer, and other thermometers were not attached. So I select the first only one thermometer and click the plot the graph. It will plot the desired graph. So if you want to plot the multiple graph on one, then you can select all the columns and to draw the graph for all four columns. So it depends upon or your research and your project work. So you can also draw the values from the four columns, four thermocouples. Okay, I'm sorry for my poor English. Bye bye.